Hey guys, today's set of gadgets will blow your mind. There's some cute little things for those who like to keep their hands busy. There's a bunch of gadgets to stay extremely productive, whether you're recording your own album, writing a report, or playing Cyberpunk 2077. And you're about to see the cutest movie ever. All the links to the products you'll find in the description box. Can't wait to get started. How often do you need to use your smartphone hands-free and don't know where to place it? Now there's a perfect solution for almost any case. This is a family of powerful mounting accessories which are all equipped with some really strong magnets. You only have to attach a special socket to the back of your phone and you're good to go. Whether you're cooking, driving, or working out, your phone is firmly held right next to you. Rotating the screen is also really easy, and the tabletop stand is absolutely indispensable for casual home use. It's 360-degree adjustable, so you can always find the perfect viewing angle. Thankfully, there's a tablet version as well. Watching a movie is no longer a challenge for your muscles. You know, music these days is as vital as water, so this actually makes sense. A water bottle with an integrated Bluetooth speaker. Just like the regular ones, this thing includes some control buttons and a USB port for charging. Aside from that, this is a bottle with an 18-ounce capacity. It maintains your drinks at the proper temperature and reminds you to stay hydrated with the flashing LED lights. You can still wash the bottle as a regular one, just detach the speaker part beforehand. But imagine how great it would be if you didn't have to wash the bottle at all. That's what this self-cleaning bottle is all about. The UV sterilizer inside the cap kills all the germs and bacteria. Not only can it clean an empty bottle, but also purify the water inside. It'll take you 60 seconds for that. Cool. It's time for a heartwarming movie about a magical encounter between two flying robots that play all around the forest of centennial trees. Two drones, zigzagging in the forest, bumping into trees and rolling around leafy branches. Each drone is equipped with 20 feet of neon wire, 24 RGB LEDs, and fluorescent material. The drones are remote-controlled by operators, while the lights execute a pre-programmed sequence and use data from onboard accelerometers to react in sync to contacts and collisions. The cages are freely rotating, which adds to the magic of the unique choreography, and a special technology allows drones to remain perfectly stable after contact. That's pure magic. This drawing table looks as simple and clean as it gets, yet it includes everything you need to boost your creativity. It features a large drawing area along with 12 customizable keys on the left side, or on the right one. It's actually reversible, which is great news for lefties. What's more, the included battery-free pen boasts over 8,000 sensitivity levels. It's also equipped with 2 buttons that allow you to switch between the pen and eraser. The USB-C port connects the tablet to virtually any PC or Mac, and it also works with all your favorite software, including Photoshop, ZBrush, and so on. The rest depends on your imagination. Now, these fancy headphones are designed unlike most of the competitors. Aside from the stainless steel and aluminum that we're used to, they also include these beautifully crafted wooden panels. And the memory foam cushions covered with natural leather should feel as soft as they look. The headphones are Bluetooth enabled, so you can use them both wirelessly and with an aux cable. There's also an integrated microphone that allows hands-free phone calls. You can easily throw the headphones in your bag thanks to the foldable design and the included carrying bag. As for the battery, you'll get up to 30 hours of playtime on a single charge. The built-in USB-C port supports fast charging, so adding a few extra hours is a matter of minutes. There are plenty of characters in the movies that can talk to different animals and control them. Our congrats! From now on, you can master spiders. Okay, robot spiders. And it's not just a toy that you move with a joystick. You have to control your new friend with your brain. Literally, every spider comes with a special headband that monitors your brain waves and turns them into signals. After that, the signals are transferred to the spider via Bluetooth, so it does exactly what you want. This requires some concentration and peace of mind, but you'll handle that. Must be really amusing and useful at the same time. When you go on a trip, all your underwear travels with you, which is awfully inconvenient, frankly speaking. What if you could take just one pair of undies and they would always stay clean? This innovative underwear uses a special material that fights bacteria completely on its own. You'll only have to let it air out for a few hours after a whole day of use. Aside from the magical self-cleaning feature, this underwear is super soft and comfortable to wear. It keeps you warm when it's cold and stays cool at high temperatures. Besides, this material is very absorbent, so it perfectly handles sweat and moisture. Your next travel bag will be lighter. The Pokemon universe is constantly growing. We all know that. The Pokeball accessory is yet another way to keep up with your favorite characters. Just connect it to Pokemon Go, and it'll light up and vibrate every time you'll be near a Pokemon or a Pokestop. If you shake the ball, it'll also play some sounds like there's an actual Pokemon inside. The dedicated mobile app allows you to share your achievements with friends or even play together. And there's a bonus feature for Nintendo Switch owners. You can use the Pokeball instead of your regular controller. That's awesome. Here's a couple of fidget spinners that might surprise you. This spinner can work in two different ways. Aside from the main mechanism, there are some gears inside that spin on their own. The aviation aluminum frame along with pure copper gears provide great look and durability. The same construction is also available in a square shape. That's enough to get everyone's attention. But this toy is probably the most unusual one. You get a pendulum instead of classic spinning. Even a double pendulum, in fact. See, there's a huge variety of options for every taste. This great portable recorder suits virtually any case. Whether you want to record a song, produce a podcast, or get an interview, this thing perfectly handles all that. It's equipped with a large touchscreen that allows you to choose different settings and apps. For example, there's an app with all the needed tools for a podcast, and a similar one, but for the music. The default mic capsule includes two high-quality unidirectional microphones, but you can easily replace it with any other compatible capsules. You'll definitely enjoy the abundance of output options with the 6 XLR ports, a headphone jack, and USB interface. You can record up to 12 tracks simultaneously. Moreover, there's a special mobile app to control the recording remotely from your phone. Whatever you're doing, it'll sound great. Folding phones keep growing in popularity, but here's the world's first foldable laptop made by Lenovo. It's actually more like a foldable tablet, though. Anyway, there's a 13-inch 2K display that folds in half, making the device much easier to carry, just like a book or magazine. The Intel Core i5 processor and 8GB of RAM should provide really smooth performance. 2 USB-C ports are at your service, along with the Dolby Atmos speaker system. But for the most versatile and productive experience, you'll also need some optional accessories. With the leather folio and proprietary keyboard, this thing easily turns into an actual laptop, and then you just turn it back into a book-like tablet. Imagine a handheld gaming console that's as powerful as the full-sized ones. Don't judge by size. This is an actual powerhouse. It boasts AMD Ryzen 5 CPU, 16GB of RAM, and up to 1TB of SSD storage. The device is also equipped with 2 USB-C ports and a headphone jack. And there's an additional docking station that features 2 regular USBs and HDMI output, along with SD and TF card slots. The 7-inch multi-touch screen allows using this thing just like a tablet. It runs Windows 10, so you can install all your favorite software. As for the games, this little console handles Cyberpunk 2077, GTA 5, and FIFA 21. Who would have thought?